Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to connect your Samsung washing machine to the internet, to your Wi-Fi, so that you can control it through your phone, through the SmartThings app, and control it from the comfort of your couch or wherever you are. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is have the washing machine on and select the extras menu button, which is the one with a little hand. Press and hold it for 3 seconds, and then that will bring up the system's functions. So within the system's function is where you'll find the Wi-Fi option. So you use this dial, turn it to the right, and it shows you the option for Wi-Fi. You can see on my one Wi-Fi is on, but to turn it off, you just press that and it's off. If it's highlighted off, it's off. If it says on, it means it's on. So we are in business and ready to pair it to our phone and use it. The next thing you're gonna need to do is grab your tablet or your phone and head on over to the App Store so you can download the Samsung SmartThings app. So let's do that right now. So you're gonna need to go to the SmartThings app, to the App Store or Google Play Store, and type in SmartThings. There we go. And we're gonna download that. So when you open the SmartThings app, it's gonna ask you to create a Samsung account or log into your Samsung account, which is pretty easy. I've got one already, so just go in and type in your email or your password, and then you'll be ready to get started. So it's gonna ask you for your password, and then you're gonna log in, and it might ask you for 2-step authentication. I'll set that up later. So it shows me that there's no devices attached to that. So what you want to do now is actually move on to back to your washing machine, and with that, press and hold you can see the little, where it says SmartThings, the little key button here, or little phone with the Wi-Fi signal there. That's where you want to press and hold that for about maybe 3 seconds, and then you'll get this AP mode that it enters into. That's the auto pairing mode. And now you need to move back to your tablet or your phone and add the device there. So you can go, all right, add devices. So you've got a whole list of devices which you can add on there. At the moment, we're adding a washer, so you can select washer. And obviously Samsung washers, so we're going to select Samsung washer, and it's a washer. So you press on the washer icon with the little washer, and then the next step is it's asking for location. If you want to use location, you can allow it to use while using the app, allow once or don't allow. So I think this is pretty useful if you're going out or you need to be able to see what's happening with your washing machine while you're out, or how long it will take. I think you can add it on. I always use allow while using app. And so in the settings, you actually need to go to your settings, press the settings button, and allow SmartThings to access your location while using. I just went like always, and back to the SmartThings app, and then now it's just setting everything up. So it's just getting everything ready. That was pretty quick. Oof. And get to start. So obviously we've already done the auto pairing stuff, and we are there, so we can press the next button. So we'll need to go to Wi-Fi on your phone or settings, and then select network that starts with washer. So it's just walking you through how to do this, and put in 1115 times and 15 times to 5 times, and then after connecting, returning to this screen. So we're going to go ahead and go to the Wi-Fi settings on our tablet or our phone and select the washer one, which is the washer's own Wi-Fi. And then, so remember that it's said to put 1 5 times and 2 5 times. So it's already there. I already put it before, so let's remember that. So we'll go back to the app. And now it's just connecting to our device. Connecting. Beautiful. So we can see that you need to enter your Wi-Fi network information. So this is where you enter your, it's already pre-selected the Wi-Fi that I'm using, my house Wi-Fi, your house Wi-Fi, and then typing in your password so that it can save it to the washing machine and stay connected. The next thing you're going to press is press next, of course, and then it's just sending more information to the washing machine. So I'd say this whole process, make yourself a nice cup of tea and be patient and just go through it. It takes time, but once you've set it up, it's going to be a breeze to use it. The app is pretty good. If you're finding any value in this, I'd consider subscribing, because I do post a lot of these videos into how to use Samsung washing machines. I also have videos on repairing these. You never know when your washing machine might need repairs. Save yourself a couple of bucks, a lot of money with my how to do tutorial videos on how to fix these things. Anyway, let's get back into this. So it's finished doing that. You can actually name your washing machine. So if you've got more than 2 laundries or more than 2 properties, or you're controlling this through the phone, you can actually change the name of the washing machine. But I've just left it as washing machine. You can actually change the name. Maybe I'll change mine to Skynet, because it's gonna take over. This is how the world ends. I've named it Skynet and done. So it's just processing. All right, so it's saved that to the living room. So you can see it actually has it saved there as Skynet. And so it's ready to take commands. So when you're ready to use it, you just select and then it's just loading. So that's the whole menu there that you have. So it's ready to send signals to the washing machine. So what I'm going to do then is you can actually select the cycles you want. So when you press this middle button, you can select the cycle you want. So you can select a cotton wash, an AI wash, quick 15-minute wash, super speed wash, intense cold wash, delicate wash, different wash cycles. You're just scrolling through there. There's different wash cycles that you can use, which you can select all from the phone here, which is pretty handy to use. So when you're ready, so I'm going to select the quick 15-minute wash. You can actually edit this and actually take some off if this cycle is too big, and then you can save it as, maybe I'll save this one as my wash. You can actually save different cycles as well here, or delete the one you don't need, but let's just leave that like that. So I'm going to select the quick 15-minute wash and press the OK button, and with that I'll say so now it says that smart control on your washer is off. So smart control is, it's always connected to the washing machine. Even if the washing machine turns off, the washing machine is connected to your phone, is connected to you. So now it's saying send to washer and then completing on the washing machine. Now obviously if I want to have the smart control, you can actually press the smart control button. So let's get back to the washing machine and I'll show you what I mean. So as soon as you've got enough focus here, yes. All right, so smart control, you actually turn it on by pressing this button with the little cell phone with the Wi-Fi signals. That turns on smart control. And you can actually turn it off that way too as well. So that's off. So remote access is unavailable. So you actually need to connect it through the SmartThings app and then turn on smart control to be able to send it remotely and have remote control. So press that once, that's smart control. So now you can control it remotely. Let's get back to our tablet or our phone and you can see that it actually, that message to say send to washer has disappeared, and now we have the start button, so we can actually start the wash. Before we start, you can actually see what the wash is all about. So that's a laundry planner, shows you it's a quick 15-minute wash, it's washing, it's a cold wash. You can actually change the temperatures. You can go, okay, I like doing a 40-degree wash, and okay, I like to rinse maybe 5 times. Yeah, a bit extreme, but and then 1200 RPM spin speed. That's just how much water it takes out of the clothes. I like a really fast spin speed. There we go. And then you can actually add it to the My Cycle list and save it to there, so that next time you won't have to do all this, and then you can just select it. And then you can actually set a going out mode. You can actually set a delay alarm schedule for a cycle so that it starts if you're out. So you can actually do a time delay. Say if you're going out, you can go, okay, I'll be back in 7 hours. All right, so let this washing machine start in, say, I'll be back in 7 hours, say start in 6 hours. So that just as you're walking in, it's finishing washing, and then your clothes won't be sitting there all day. So that's pretty good. And then this is an alarm to remind you to take the clothes out of the laundry. Might be pretty useful for your busy households, for getting clothes in the washing machine, and somebody needs to use the washing machine. So you can use that function as well. But if the washing machine is off, then you can use that function. Something that people might find handy to use. Then other things you can use here, you can use the stay connect function. So this will you stay connected to the washing machine. Even if the washing machine turns off, it will continue getting controlled by the Wi-Fi, by your phone, by your tablet. So that will be pretty handy to have, pretty handy to use. The other thing that we want to have a look at is how to start the cycle. So to start the cycle, so I've selected my quick 15-minute wash, which I did before. Oh, there you go. Quick 15-minute. When you're ready to start, you just press start. And as easy as that, I'll show you what happened. It started on the washing machine. It started washing. So what you can do, just imagine, you can actually put your clothes in there and then just go and sit on the couch, and you can start the cycle from there. Or even mid-cycle, I can imagine you can just pause it and stop and go, oh, okay, now I want a longer wash. I don't want a quick wash. I don't have to get up, okay? So that's pretty good. I'll say that's pretty good. And here it's showing you the progress of the washing machine, what's going on, and that's pretty amazing. I love it. You can actually pause the cycle, which I'm doing at the moment, and it actually pause, and you can actually resume the cycle as well. So say if you've left the house, you're a bit freaked out about leaving the washing machine washing and you're not home, you can actually pause it, and then you can actually resume when you come back home or when you're on your way home. So that is pretty cool, pretty awesome. Another thing is you can actually cancel the cycles as well. So I'm going to cancel that cycle because I don't want to do that. Now I had someone who asked me if these had voice controls. If you do want to control this using voice, you can do that through the use of Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. To do that, you'd need to go to the home page of your SmartThings app and select the plus button, which brings up the extras menu. And with that, you can see there's an option for voice assistant about the third way down. And there you go. So that gives you the option to connect to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Pretty cool. So this will be pretty useful for people who are vision impaired or people that are disabled that can't fully use these tactile buttons, or every time come to the washing machine. And we all get busy. How cool or nice would it be to be in the lounge or in the garage, in the kitchen cooking, and asking Alexa what's the status, because your hands sometimes might be tied behind your back, and this will be pretty handy to have as an add-on. So that is pretty cool. If you found any value in this video, gently smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. It does help the channel out a lot. And I'll see you on the next one.